First of all, breast milk is like the perfect food for babies. It has all the right nutrients, proteins, vitamins, healthy fats, and it even has special antibodies that help protect babies from getting sick. Like, seriously, it's made just for them and changes as the baby grows. How cool is that? It's made just for them and changes as the baby grows. How cool is that? Also, I didn't realize how breastfeeding helps build this super strong bond between the mom and the baby. When they're close like that, it makes the baby feel safe and loved, and it's great for their emotional development. Plus, it helps the mom too. It can lower her stress and even help prevent postpartum depression. I love how something so natural can be so comforting for both the baby and the mom. And get this, there are health benefits for the mom as well. Breastfeeding helps her body heal faster after giving birth, and it can actually lower the chances of getting diseases like breast cancer or diabetes later on. It even helps with weight loss after pregnancy because it burns extra calories. So it's not just good for the baby, the mom gets a lot of health perks too. Lastly, I thought it was awesome that breastfeeding is good for the planet. No plastic bottles, no packaging waste, and no factories needed to make baby formula. It saves money and helps the environment. Honestly, after learning all this, I feel like breastfeeding is kind of like nature's superpower for moms and babies.